What do you like more, enjoying your food or doing your makeup? A sweet donut tempts you, and new lip gloss makes your heart beat fast. We decided to combine our two weak spots into one, turning makeup into food. A lipstick in a hot dog, concealer in a cupcake, and nail polish in a chicken leg? Only the best beauty products are on the menu today. My friend loves to mix business with pleasure. She eats her yummy and applies my makeup at the same time. This is why my makeup bag is always full of crumbs, and the table is such a mess that you don't understand which is what. But I know how to teach a lesson to this makeup glutton. I take out a special hot dog. We will need a liquid lipstick. Cut a circle out of paper. Make a hole in it to fit the lipstick size and put it on between the cap with the applicator and the container. Screw the cap to fasten the paper ring. Need soft clay of reddish colors. Cover the lipstick with it. Shape it into a sausage. Cover the cap and the remaining part of the container separately. Let the paper ring separate the clay. Scratch the sausage to imitate grill lines using a knife and a sculpting stick. Make a hot dog bun from the soft clay as well. Use beige and yellow colors. Make a hole for the sausage. When the clay dries, paint the bun into a kneaded shade using a sponge. Make its color natural. Paint the sausage into a brownish red color with acrylic paint. Define the grill lines. Make a hot glue zigzag on parchment paper. Paint it so that it looks like mustard. Take it off the parchment paper and attach it to the sausage. Cut the mustard at the joint to let the lipstick open. Put the sausage into the bun. I treat my friend to a hot dog. She wants to have a snack, but a surprise is waiting for her today. The sausage is made not from meat, but from liquid lipstick. She is not satisfied at first. Where are the carbohydrates you promised? But then she decides that the lipstick is more useful than the sausage. The blue-eyed girl is not the only one who can turn makeup into food. Redhead puts a banana with a secret into the makeup bag while her friend is distracted. Measure the size of a perfume container and make the marks on a foam plastic banana dummy. Cut it in half. Make a hole with a wooden skewer in both halves. Heat a knife over a candle and make the holes wider to fit the perfume vial. Paint the cuts yellow. Cover the perfume vial with super glue and put it into the bottom part of the banana. Put on the top part instead of a cap. The blue-eyed girl is finally happy that her friend has stopped crumbling cookies on her table. Now she can do her makeup easily. But what is that? It looks like the makeup bag has turned into a lunchbox. Somebody has already cut this banana and hid the perfume in it. The fruit fragrance is guaranteed. My beauty menu for today consists of a fried egg and a fried chicken. Beauty can also be delicious. Need air-dry clay. Dampen your hands with water so that the clay is more flexible. And shape a chicken leg bone around a nail polish cap. Make the chicken meat around the vial. Smooth out the surface using water. Make it textured with the rough side of a sponge. And let it dry. Mix acrylic paints on the soft side of the sponge and color the chicken leg. Add shading to the bone and spray the leg with clear polish so that it gets a glossy finish. The blue-eyed girl is ready to do her nails, and Redhead is right here. She sees a fried chicken leg and can't resist. Even her teeth want to taste some meat, but this chicken is not for teeth, it's for beauty. The blue-eyed girl reveals the secret. The skeleton of this chicken is made from nail polish. This food isn't Redhead's cup of tea.